everyone. So today we are gathered here for doing public assignment, and we are now in Badlapur station, and our topic is my best activity in 21 days challenge. Very nice topic, and first of all I would like to give my introduction. My name is Tom Patil. Just I finished my 10th from Ullas Vidyalaya, and also I am student of Zero to Hero Institute of English Speaking from Old Batch. My ambition is to become computer engineer in my life, and also I want to become English confident till 7th of October 2023. So I'm requesting to you all, please give your introduction one by one.
Hello everyone, this is Meghna Soloni and just have finished my 10th from Ullas Vidyalaya, and as well as I'm a student of English Academy, and my ambition to become an air hostess in my life. Hello everyone, so all thanks to all my fighter team. They came here to Badlapur station for doing public assignment. Yes, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kajal Palera. I'm studying in MA Part 2 and I'm a student of State by Speaking from both batch. I want to become PSI in my life, and I also want to be English confident 29 July 2023. So I would like to request Pranav, please give your introduction. So hey guys, this is me Pranav Daipade. I'm from standard 9 National Rajas English High School. As well as I'm a student of Step by Step English Academy, and I will become Army Officer in my life and English confident in 27 July 2023. Hey everyone, this is Vedanta Pillai. I am studying in London and my school name is Holy Family Convent High School from English Medium, and I am also student of English Step Academy from Gold Batch. And my ambition is to become an IT officer and also English confident in
So I would like to start from myself. My favorite activity. Obviously, all activities are very nice. Public speaking, because of that our confidence increase, and from that public speaking we get like Vedant and Meghna and Harsh and Pranav, because they are come here for because of only public speaking, and now also we are doing that public speaking. So you can imagine the power of public speaking. But I would like to share about my favorite activity, that is well qualified person interview, because when we are going to take interview of well qualified person, and at that time we get our we get to know where are we, and we get our level, and how much we can do conversation with others, and mostly with well qualified person, because their toning, their experience, their pronunciation totally different, and I have experienced that. That's why I'm telling, because I did more than 10 assignments till now with only well qualified person like doctors, professor, teachers, and one merchant also. He is successful merchant in Ullasnagar. So I did assignment with them all. So because of them I get different experience, because they are belonging from different medium, or they are belonging from different field. That's why obviously we will get something different experience, because they shared about themselves, means how they become successful in their field, and I get the value, or I will get something idea what should I do, or how much struggle I will be take, or I should take for my career. And yes, related to my field also I took interview. One ma'am was there. She doing work, or she is teaching now in Bharat Education, very famous class in Ullasnagar, and she is doing her master in computer engineering. So that from that also I get different experience. So yes, well qualified person interview is my favorite activity. That's it. So I'm requesting to Meghna tell about yours.
Yes, all activities are important for every student, because from the activities of first wave activities learn English. So one favorite activity, that is public speaking, because I'm starting when I'm in school batch, so I mean just joined gold batch. That time 21 days started, and my first activity, that is public speaking. I did first public assignment at the Pramad Garden, and that time I'm talking only English, but from the public assignment I got so much improvement in that, and now I did complete 10. I would like to tell about my favorite activity. For my all activities are the best because that activity we so much we got so much confidence in ourselves. And about my favorite activity, that is interview of current student. Why? Because sometimes we do more poetry, and because of that current student we got started activity, and who didn't have idea about the interview and all that thing, they also started because everyone was talking with each other, because some days who was there, they were just practicing with each other, they were practicing with each other, but serious students, they couldn't. But because of that current student activity, we started talking with each other, and because of that all students became active, and they started their interviews, assignments, they got interest in that activities, and they also started their practice. So they will also get improvement from this. And in this one more thing is there, they will also get idea how to take interview. They can also do assignment. That thing is happening nowadays, taking current interview, taking interview of current student. It's really best activity. Because of that, we can see all students are very active, and because of that I like this activity so much. So I would like to request now Pranav, please tell about your background. So my favorite activity in this 2027 is that public speaking. I like it so much, and I follow that daily and consistently also. Because of this public speaking, we got confidence to speak in front of people. Like someone is seeing us, staring us, so our confidence, our confidence in, in increasing. So our confidence increase in that, and sometimes we fear also that so they are seeing us, what they are thinking about us, that we are doing here time pass and like that. And but it is very powerful for us, and if we will follow this consistently, so we will become in 2-3 months we will become very confident English confidence in it. Means we will not become a English confidence, we get so much confidence, and when we will got confidence, so we can speak English very nicely, and that's why public assignment is very important. So my favorite activity in 21 Day Challenge is public speaking. We get so much confidence from the public speaking, because someone is seeing us, what they are saying, how they are saying, that is very good. Someone how they are doing that after school or other education. So they are thinking like that. But it's very grateful for us to doing public speaking, because from that we will get so much, a lot of confidence from it.
Really, you told very nice. Public speaking is really very powerful and very useful for us, because if when we did that public speaking, at that time strangers are there. They were staring to you. Then you get that idea how should we face them, or how should we focus on our camera on our topic. So really public speaking is very important, and as ma'am said that current student interview really very nice, because she is also means she was also belonging from something 5-star student, and she was also 5-star student, but when she enter in us, then she gets something different environment, and some students are there, they start to her interview, and she also now can take interview. So it's power of current student interviews, and because of that their also confidence increase, and our also. So it's very nice, and if you have something to talk.
Yes, yes, everyone's topic was very correct, and I am totally agree with everyone's topic, because public speaking also important to increase our confidence. Because of public speaking, in our future we have to speak in publicly. So that confidence we should get now. If we have now that confidence to talk publicly, in the future also, whenever we go for our job, for our career, there we will not stuck.
and it should be not happen. Because of that, public speaking is important, and they are qualified persons. Because sometimes what happens, something is qualified, so we fear so much to talk with that person. We don't have that much, confidence. But talking with them, yes, we can get that much confidence, and we will get different idea also by seeing their success journey. So that's it. Everyone was very right. So thank you so much, guys, to be with us till the end.
Yes, thank you so much,
Thank you so
guys.
much. Thank you so
And
much.
thank you so much to all, because we are came here for doing only public speaking, Ulhasnagar to Badlapur. So thank you so much to you all also, and guys, for you for watching us till end and be with us. Thank you.